my name is Julius Calixtro Manugid. Pwede nyo ako tawaging Clicks. 5 years ago, it was like wala masyadong magawa mga tao noon eh. So ako, yung main inspiration ko talaga dati is Ink Master. So, Ink Master, nanood ako and napaisip ako, siguro kaya ko din naman tong gawin. Then I tried, applied for job, earned income, tapos ayun, nakuha ko yung first na gamit ko. And then, the rest is history. It was by recommendation ni Kuya Dok, good friend and artist of Kuya Boots also. And Kuya Dok is a good friend also nung shop na pinasukan ko before yung may-ari. I wanna learn how to make good connections, expand my market, and also explore kung saan mas magiging maganda yung career ko. I love to do black and gray realism that works colored, and basically kung ano naman yung gustong ipagawa ng mga clients natin, yun talaga yung usually na ginagawa natin. Pero ayun, personally yung gusto ko na mga style na ginagawa is black and gray realism, that works, and conceptual tattoos pala, and micro realism also.